the HybridPower. When you look at it, you see that it is something special. Our expert Aaron will tell us how it works. Aaron, can you tell me what is special about the HybridPower?
Yeah, the HybridPower, it's a mixture between a plastic plug and a steel anchor. So it has the advantages of both worlds. It's very, very easy to set. So basically like a normal plastic plug, only special tools. It works in solid and hollow masonry, and it also allows it to work in the case of a fire.
Sounds good. And how does the HybridPower work and what are typical applications?
Well, how it works is, it's like when you take a normal plastic plug, you screw in the screw and the plastic expands and it fills all the voids then in the wall. And this is what happens here. And these special metal parts here, they also form, and they form little power cones in the voids, which gives it this extra force and grip that it has. And it also makes it possible to work in the case of a fire.
That's nice. And what are typical applications for the HybridPower?
Typical applications would be, for instance, a kitchen cupboard, a console for a television, and even 2 cable trays.
Thanks, Aaron. So far for the theoretical part. Now I would like to see how the HybridPower works in the practical part. So for that, Aaron, I will leave for a few seconds.
So now to the practice part. I'm going to show you how to fit the HybridPower into concrete. Of course, it also fits into hollow bricks. But we'll start with a push-through fixing for such a console against the concrete wall. So first of all, before I bore the hole, safety first. Ear stoppers in, safety glasses, and now. And of course, don't forget to clean the borehole for the maximum capacity. So now I'm going to set the bracket, place it against the wall like this, get the HybridPower, and now I'll show you how easy it is to set. Just basically press it in. It's about 1 centimeter before it's fixed. I take the hammer, and then with 1 or 2 light hammer blows, it's finished. Perfectly set, flush to the wall. So now I just need to set the screw. Place it here. Take my electrical screwdriver. And in we go. So that's it. Very, very easy. And as I said, was a push-through fixing. It also works for prefix fixings for something like this and on walls like HL said.
That really looked easy. Thanks, Aaron, for the information and demonstration.
It was a pleasure.
So all I can say is the HybridPower combines the best of both worlds. Strong, safe and simple. Just try it out.